How to add and style captions in CapCut. Step 1. Launch CapCut. Click the Import button. Select the video or clip you want to use and click Open to import it into the project. Step 2. Drag the imported video onto the timeline panel or click the Add to Timeline icon. This is where the editing process begins. Step 3. Press the spacebar to preview your video in the preview window.
With the same mindset that kept you stuck.
Step 4. Navigate to the top menu and click Captions. Choose your preferred language, for instance, English, and click the Generate icon. Allow some time for processing, as this depends on your internet speed. Step 5. After the captions are generated, use the timeline slider to zoom in or out for better control and editing accuracy. Step 6. Click on Templates and browse through available caption styles. Select a template you like and apply it. The changes will appear instantly in the preview window. Step 7. Drag the caption to your preferred position on the screen. Review the final results and then export the video.